Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today we're going to do a quick review of the Benchmade Griptilian, or Benchmade 551. This is a pretty cool knife. It's made in the US. It's going to cost you around $250 in this variant right over here. Yes, because this is the custom Griptilian, because it has a pretty cool carbon fiber 3D sculpted scales. Classic axis lock right over here. The overall size when open is 8.07 inches, and when it's closed it's going to be 4.62, so not too crazy. The sculpted scales are great on this one. I really appreciate the job they've done with this one. The blade is a nice drop point, 3.45 inches long, beautiful CPM M4 crazy edge retention steel, Melpardue design right over here. Nice flat grind, DLC coated, so pretty cool. The sound this guy makes is the classic axis lock sound. Like this is when you use the thumb stud, very, very classic. And when you close it, it's this. So very, normal sound from your axis lock. The weight in the pocket is going to be 3.8 ounces. The clip is just a split arrow with also like a DLC coating and a little bit of stonewash going on right over here. The grip is, guys, it's just phenomenal. This is the highlight of this knife. It feels so good in the hand. There are no hot spots, nice jimping going on over here. It's very smooth overall. I mean, the action is pretty fun and pretty, smooth. So there you have it. If you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.